Hello friends, my name is Dr. Huma Hassan and today I would help all of you to develop a scientific temper on social issues in India. So what you people can do, you should have definitely holistic understanding on social issues, right? So first of all, you need to tell that India is undergoing rapid and layered social transformation, and it requires more than surface level of understanding. Okay, so you need to have in-depth exploration about it. So it requires a structural, cultural and ethical lens. Now, through my lectures, through my classes, I always try to emphasize that social issues are not isolated, they are deeply rooted in historical process. So you people have to say that whensoever we are understanding on social issues, we need to develop multidimensional perspective, right? And then you should straight away come on concepts like social inequalities and stratification. So when you are understanding social inequality and stratification, again you need to use multidimensional point, that how it is operating, so economically, culturally, structurally, symbolically. So when you are studying about it, so you can definitely understand that why certain social groups have unequal access to life chances. And you can also talk about that there are so many people who are trapped under this vicious cycles of poverty. And when you're talking about poverty, please quote Oscar Lewis' Culture of Poverty, right? And then I would say please do reflect on social change and modernity, and you need to tell that whensoever we are referring to modernity, we need to talk about continuous negotiation, because nothing is obsolete completely. For example, the caste used to operate in traditional society, it is still manifested itself in the form of pressure group, that is caste identity based politics. Okay, and then you need to talk about that how in today's time we must have ethical and social responsibility. So governance too, we have to understand that governance too must be viewed ethically. So we need to work on sustainable social reforms, human dignity, social trust, fairness and accountability, right? So this is how you should talk about. So cultural governance, right? So we know that one of the major problem is on online platforms. Okay, so whose voice gets amplified, whose voice gets silenced, how opinion is shaped. So digital spaces can democratize voices, but they can also polarize communities. So this is how you people have to develop holistic understanding on social issues in India. Thank you.